morning, Astrolifers. I hope you all good, that you had a good weekend and that Monday finds you nice and rested. I am saying nice and rested because we do have some planets retrograde, and of course that will affect you, that you like it or not. Unfortunately, we do have Jupiter that is retrograde and that is slowing us all down, which is obviously nice in one side because it does slow everything down, but on the other side it can get a bit frustrating for us, especially when you want to move forward. So if you've been feeling that things are a little bit slow, it's not your fault. If you are feeling a little bit tired, it's not your fault either. And if things are not as fast and as quick and you don't get the results that you are looking for straight up, it's not your fault again either. Jupiter is the biggest planet, so you can see how affected we are with the full moon, or the way she does the tides and all that. So imagine Jupiter, 40 times the size of the moon. You can imagine the impact. She decides if things are going to be moving forwards in a good way or not. And for the moment she is retrograde, plus some other aspects as well that are retrograde with some other planets. So it is kind of putting the brakes onto things, and but it is done on a purpose again. I really want you to understand that everything has been done in a perfect way. So just take that time, to slow down and to reassess and heal yourself. At the end of the day, we have a massive planet, the warrior, the one with the energy, has just moved into Cancer. So it's all about well-being. It's about looking after yourself. It's about taking the time to sort all the problems that you have. So it does make people a little bit more emotional. And it's going to put the accent on everything to do with family, with home, with health, the health inside. So again, I linked with emotions, things that you want to talk about. It's a very good time to go and see someone and have a therapy, or to even to have a reading, or to go back into past lives and stuff like that. To go to the past and to understand who you are. And we're going to have that aspect until the 1st of July. So it's going to take a while to kind of finish all that. The good aspect is as far as imagination is concerned. So that is absolutely awesome because it is going to multiply the imagination. If you are writing, if you are creating a program or things like that, that is an excellent time to do that. And then obviously it would be a perfect time to be able to launch. So see, again, everything has been done in a perfect way because with the Gemini that we are in for the moment, which is all about creating and programs and thinking, with all this aspect with Mars behind the scene helping you to have even more ideas, is just perfect to make sure that in that case everyone and everything will be ready to be launched onto the 11th of August, when Jupiter will finally move forwards. So everything is fine. So look, this week, except those aspects, nothing much is happening. Except at the end of the week. At the end of the week, we've got a really good aspect for on the 30th that is going to be linked with love and fun. So if you want to do a party, if you want to go out, if you want to celebrate, if you want to invite some friends, or there's something going on that you want to go to a show or anything like that, I strongly recommend to do it because it's just going to be perfect. It's going to be really glittering. It's one of the best days of the month. So that's good to end up the month like that. So go out, definitely. You don't want to be missing that. So anything that is happening, or if you want to meet some people, like-minded people, do that. Try to start the connections for work. If you did meet some people, try to wait that we are with Jupiter moving forwards in August to start working with them, or starting the relationship. But look, it's still going to be very joyful, and the best would be obviously to have something at home or with your loved ones, the people that are close, because with Mars in Cancer, it's all about family and the people that are really close, your close friends, and that is for sure going to be an excellent time. So this is it. This is the week, and be gentle on yourself. Look after your health. It's the time to heal yourself. So if you feel tired, again, as I was saying at the beginning, just take that time to really look after yourself, have some massage, and finish your programs, finish everything. Soon it will be time to move forward, and in August it's going to be full speed for a few months, and then at the end of the year. But we'll talk all about that in the future. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic week, and I shall see you on Monday or Sunday next week, depending how busy I am. But I will see you at the beginning of next week for sure. Bye. Thanks, everyone.